here's how you can check battery health in Android. So, in order to do that, simply open Settings application on your mobile phone. After opening Settings, you'll have to scroll at the bottom or just search for About Phone section. Click on this. Now, it will show you this page where you'll have to scroll down and click Software Information. Now, scroll down and simply navigate to the option that says Build Number and tap on it continuously, and it will open up your page where you'll have to enter your current PIN. After this, click OK, and developer mode will be enabled on your mobile phone. Now what you'll have to do is navigate to Play Store, click on the search icon and search for A battery. Then install A battery on your mobile phone. Now search for Shizuku. Now click Shizuku and install this application. After installing both of these applications, you're going to simply click on Open on Shizuku and it will show that Shizuku is not running. You'll have to simply click a Start button. Now, you will see this message. If you won't have enabled wireless debugging, this won't work. So what you'll have to do before starting Shizuku is pair it through wireless debugging. So what you'll have to simply do is navigate to your settings again and search for wireless debugging. Click wireless debugging and you'll be on this page where you'll have to turn on wireless debugging. Now, click Allow. After you do this, click on wireless debugging and choose Pair Device with Pairing Code. Click on this and it will show you a pairing code that you'll have to simply enter in your notifications. So, my current pairing code is 761803. Now, I'll have to simply navigate to my notifications, scroll down and click Enter Pairing Code and enter the pairing code that I received. After entering it, click Send. Now, my device will be paired with Shizuku and I will have to simply get back to the Shizuku application and click on this Start icon and it will instantly start the application. Now, just wait few seconds and it will show a notification saying Shizuku is running. Now, put Shizuku in the background and navigate to A battery. So search for A battery, click on it, and as you can see, the correct information will be shown just right here. Your battery health, whether it is good or bad, the temperature, battery voltage, and the maximum capacity too. Also the cycle count, manufacturing date, first usage date, and everything about your battery. So this is the simple way through which you can check battery health in Android. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.